Have you ever wished your body could just tell you what it needs, what it's missing, what's hurting? The truth is, it can. Most people just don't know how to listen. Muscle testing is one of the most fascinating, empowering tools you'll ever learn. It's like tuning into your body's inner wisdom. And the best part, you can use it anytime, anywhere, no lab coat or equipment required. Welcome to How Do I? Advice from Mom. I'm a mom, herbalist, natural healer, intuitive channeler, and even a mechanic. Let's break it down. Muscle testing, also called applied kinesiology, is a way to ask your body direct questions and receive answers through subtle muscular responses. It helps you detect what's supportive and what's not, whether it's food, supplements, emotions, or even people. Let's start with dowsing, a beautiful and ancient method of muscle testing using a necklace or pendant. Here's how. Hold the chain between your thumb and forefinger so the pendant hangs freely, a few inches below your fingers or hand. Take a moment to center yourself, relax your breathing, and get still. Now ask the pendant to show you a yes response. It might swing forward and back, or in a circle. Then ask for a no. Watch how the direction changes. Your nervous system is subtly influencing the movement. From there, you can begin asking yes/no questions about what your body needs, just one at a time and only when you're emotionally neutral. You can also muscle test using just your fingers. Try this. Make an O with your thumb and forefinger on one hand, and loop the fingers of your other hand through it. Ask a yes or no question while trying to pull the loop apart. If your body resonates with a yes, the circle will stay strong. If it's a no, the loop will break. Another method, standing muscle testing. This is a favorite because it's quick and powerful. Stand relaxed with your arms at your sides. Hold the item in question or simply think of it and say, "This is good for me." If your body sways forward, that's a typical yes. If you swayed backward, it's a no. Your body is literally leaning into truth or away from what it doesn't want. One of the most powerful uses of muscle testing is for identifying mineral deficiencies, toxic overload, and whether a supplement is right for you. For example, you can hold a bottle of magnesium or think of magnesium while muscle testing. If you get a yes, your body likely needs it. If it weakens, it might mean it's the wrong form, the wrong dose, or not needed at all. The same goes for toxins. You can test for mold exposure, heavy metals, even emotional stressors by simply holding the item or focusing on the thought. Discreet testing is possible too if you're in public. Use the finger loop method under a table or simply press your thumb against your palm with a subtle resistance. With practice, these small gestures give you clarity in moments of decision, like choosing a meal at a restaurant or testing if a product in a store is aligned with your body. Muscle testing isn't just practical, it's deeply spiritual. It reminds you that your body is wise, intuitive, and always working to protect you. You don't have to guess, you don't have to outsource your health. You can build trust with your own system, one question at a time. The more you practice, the more confident you'll get, and the clearer signals will become. Always ask from a calm place, and always thank your body for showing up for you. See you on the next one, and remember, you've got this.